last episode, we explored Dominica, where we stepped in volcanic sand, did some snorkeling, and even learned how to make chocolate. Stay tuned for this episode in St. Lucia, where we visit rainforests, beaches, and markets. Today was the third day of our cruise and we arrived in St. Lucia. Our port was Castries, and we made our way to the interior of the island in the rainforest. In the afternoon, we went all the way up to Fort Rodney in the northern tip of the island, where we spent some time on the beach and climbing to the fort. We took an open Jeep tour of St. Lucia. Our guide Gibbery was awesome. He was so proud of his island.
That's how I do it. I have to continue educating my own self. You know? An excursion in the rainforest.
We visited the rainforest and did a short guided hike. Other tours used a tram to travel to the peaks of the rainforest. Near the entrance to the hike were gardens filled with tropical flowers. Pretty impressive. We visited Pigeon Island and the nearby beaches. And I made my way to the top of the fort. There is so much history on this island. We were told that it was 7 times French and 7 times English. The images were stunning from above in this area. Our tour organized a local meal, and we visited the local markets in Castries. In our next episode, we visit Grenada, see a spice market, and visit a waterfall. Guys, feel free to hit the like button or share the video. Click subscribe below if you want to see more. And if you're planning travel to this area, comment below with questions and I'll get back to you. Check out the show notes for links, locations, and details.